Hello friends and welcome back to your own channel. I am Rajesh Mulasi and my today's video is for class 12th students. Yes, class 10th students, those who are waiting for their board exam results. Okay, so as you know students, CBSE has already cancelled your board exams. So what about the result? How you are going to be assessed? So in this video I am going to explain you. Now as you know that you have two components in your exam, one is of theory, one is of practical, and together it will make total of 100 marks. So in some of the subjects theory is of 80 marks, practical is of 20 marks, so it is total 100. In some other subjects it is 70 and 30 also, 60-40 also, 50-50 also, and 30-70 also. So today we will talk about your theory portion. Okay. Now due to the cancellation of board exams, criteria for assessment of theory portion will be done by the school on the following basis. Now, this criteria for assessment has to be done by the school only. And what is the criteria? Listen it very carefully. CBSE is going to take marks from class 12, class 11 and class 10. And what is the criteria? 40% marks. I'm talking from class 12, 40% marks based on unit test, midterm or pre-board exam. Okay, it may be conducted in online mode or offline mode. So school has to take 40% of that. Now from class 11, school has to take 30% marks on theory component of final exam. So when the students were on class 11, so school has to take 30% marks based on theory component of final exam, right? Because that exam was conducted offline mode, so school has to take 30% of that. Okay, and from class 10 again 30% school has to take of marks based on average theory component of best 3 performing subjects out of 5 main subjects. So whatever 5 main subjects was there in class 10th, school has to take best 3 performing subjects and 30% of that. So I hope you understood up to here how much percent from class 10, from class 11 and from class 12 school has to take for assessment. Okay, so let's move forward. Now the practical or internal assessment or ASL marks will be on the actual basis as uploaded by the school on the CBSE portal. So there will be no change in the practical or internal assessment or ASL marks. Okay, because that is already uploaded by the school on the CBSE portal. Now I am going to explain you assessment and its component through this table, and this table you have to understood it very carefully, right? Since we are talking about theory portion, so how you are going to be assessed in theory portion. Now from class 10 school has to take 30%. Suppose theory portion is of 80 marks, right? So from class 10 30% of 80, which is 24 marks, school has to take. From class 11 30% of 24, which is again 24 marks, school has to take. And from class 12 40% of 80, which is 32 marks, school has to take. So from class 12 32 for theory, 20 for practical, and together it will make 52. So from class 12 theory and practical 52 marks, 24 from class 10, 24 from class 11, and 24 plus 24 plus 52 is 100 total, right? Suppose you have any subject of 70 marks, theory portion is of 70 marks. In that case school has to take from class 10 30% of 70, which is 21 marks. From class 11 30% of 70, which is 21 marks. And from class 12 40% of 70, which is 28 marks. So from class 12 28 from theory portion, 30 from practical practical portion, and 28 and 30 will make 58 from class 12 theory and practical together, 21 from class 10, 21 from class 11, and 21 plus 21 plus 58, again 100 total, right? Suppose you have any subject of 60 marks theory. So in that case, school has to take 30% of 60 from class 10, which is 18 marks, from class 11 30% of 60, again 18, and from class 12 40% of 60, which is 24. So from class 12 24 from theory, 40 for practical, 24 and 40 will make 64 total. For class 12 theory and practical, 18 from 10, 18 from 11. So 18 plus 18 plus 64, it will make 100 total again, right? Suppose you have any subject of 50 marks theory, right? In that case, from class 10 30% of 50, which is 15, has to be taken. From class 11 30% of 50, that is again 15 marks, has to be taken by the school. And from class 12 40% of 50, which is again 20 marks, school has to be taken, right? So 20 for theory, 50 for practical, and 20 and 50 together, it will make 70. So total 15 from class 10, 15 from class 11, and 70 from class 12 theory and practical, and together total it will make 100 total again, right? Now suppose you have any subject of 30 marks theory. In that case, from class 10 30% of 30, 9 marks has to be taken. From class 11 30% of 30, again 9 marks has to be taken by the school. From class 12 40% of 30, that is 12 marks. So 12 for theory, 70 for practical, total for class from class 12 plus 70, 82 marks, right? And 9 from 10, 9 from 11. So 9 plus 9 plus 82, which will make again 100 total. So I hope you understood this table very carefully, how you are going to be assessed and what are its components. Now this all is in the reference to court decision, but we have to wait till court's order. As court will give its decision, CBSE will notify us, and as soon CBSE will notify us, I will update you. So I hope you liked today's video. Please share it with your friends, and I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.